It's time for the Tangobaldy Show. And for Max, I'm demonstrating a different lighting experience in my living room. I've got 4 spotlights above me, shining down on the table, so you can see it will shine my arms up quite bright. So if I move them out, you see as I bring them in, they get nice and bright. And I've put a lamp behind me, which is extremely bright, to give me some backlighting, and maybe we'll switch to green screen now to see what happens. And I've got a light over there shining on the side of me, so let's see how the lighting looks. I have a feeling this might need to be a little bit light, not so bright, but anyway, we're still missing a light in that direction, but we've got them from above. Who wants this technical stuff? Wouldn't you rather just have a video of Tangobaldy playing rock, paper, scissors and blowing up some balloons? I found this jar. It's got some very strange things inside, so let's see what's in it, shall we? Just tip it all out in one go. Very rubbery and yucky. I was going to play a game of rock, paper, scissors with Bradley. I am missing something. I want to put this up. I meant to put this out the other day, but I forgot. So I want to put this TV here. Actually, it won't work. I only have one cable. I need 2 cables for the TV. Could have just pressed pause, but I didn't. Put that back in there. So we're getting near the end of my balloon supplies. And this is a good game to get. I'm not sure if they've still got them in Poundland. Rock, paper, scissors. So scissors would go on the last finger. And then you'd put a rock at the beginning. I mean, it's a 1-player game as well if you do it right. So yeah, you could basically have rock, paper, scissors. So you'd put your fingers like that, you go rock, paper, scissors, and you just flick your finger out. Rock, paper, scissors, rock, paper, scissors, like that. And the other person has them on their other hand, but I think for today, I'm going to just have, you've got all the same fingers. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with them now. I'm going to put them back in the jar. That's the great thing of making these videos. If it's boring, just stop doing it. Let's get some balloons. We've done those ones. I have a huge amount of blue balloons left to go. Now what about if I use all of those up today? All of the blue balloons could be used up today. I do have a plan. There is my plan, a box out of shot. The first thing to do is get some balloons inflated. Okay, my camera is now ready to go. Let's get blowing up some blue balloons. I'm going to use all of the balloons. Every time I open a jar, I'm going to use all of the stuff in the jars. Because then I can empty my supplies out. I've noticed in this there's small balloons and big blue balloons. So I need to sort the smalls from the bigs. So these are large balloons and they're the small ones. We've got small there and large. I think we'll definitely start with the small ones first. And right, so they're the large and they're the small ones. You can't see those, can you? Right. What I would do is I'm going to start at 1 second on the small ones. Have I lost my power again? I keep forgetting this socket. This socket here needs to be here so that I can plug in devices that I need. So I have a food mixer. I know people like watching me do very strange, wonderful things. So we'll do 1 second increments. I'm not sure how much we would get, how much air you get for 1 second. There you go, 1 second balloon. They may stay on the table, and now we'll do 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. You would expect the balloon to be twice its normal size, but that doesn't really work that way. That was number 3. 1, 2, 3. I do have a lovely water sprayer. I'll do that just so they've got a bit of weight and don't fly around all over the table. Now we'll go up to 4 seconds. Five seconds. Did I actually forget what I was doing then? I think they call that a brain fart. Running out of table space. Let's put the large balloons there. So that's 5. Now we're going up to 6. There's not a lot of difference between 5 and 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. Now 7. So we'll only go up to 10 seconds or... Yeah, they're getting a lot more screechy now. Yeah, one more. Oh no, we got 2 more to do. 9 seconds now. We know they don't pop at 10. Done these before. Definitely reaching its limits. So the very last one that we're going to do will be 9.9 seconds long. Blew my hair off. I can hear people going, but why did you just do 2 lots of 5 seconds to get the right amount of air? So let's do that. So this will be 10 seconds long. Just have to press it twice. These are pretty tough. They're not pretty. So yeah, 1 second, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. See those? Now I've got all these, what I'd like to do is see if it's possible to pop them. Oh, I'm getting a bit nervous here because I don't want to knock the balloons everywhere, and because I won't remember what order they were blown up in. You've got dough hooks. Let's have a look at what the dough hooks are like. Don't go doing this at home, anyone who's watching this, because you can end up trapping your fingers. So they go in, pull in from the back. You can see they turn that way, so it's going to drag the balloon through that way. So we'll try that. But there's a large gap between, quite a large gap. So what we'll try and do maybe is, let's have a look at the whiskers. There's no gap for the whiskers. So it may be that we'll start off with these. On the 1 second balloon. I'm not going to wear gloves because the material could get captured in here. So I'm going to just have a go. We do max power. I don't think I should be holding that. So I'm going to put it on the table. If it doesn't pop, it just doesn't pop. I'm going to put it there. Whee! That didn't go. Try that one. Try the 2 second one. No, 3 second balloon. No, 4 second balloon. That popped, but I think the reason that popped is because it wasn't wetted. We can test that with a 5 second balloon, see whether that lubrication assists it. That definitely made it last longer. 6 seconds from the top. Woo! Woo! Did you see that? little one. Let's do that way on that one. Ready? Oh, wet it first. So moisten it slightly. Red, let's have a go. Nice and slow. Number one. This is quite funny. I think I might have got a bit of dust from this box. I don't know why this isn't doing a fine... Oh, there we go. Fine mist is what I wanted. Let's try this. I think if nobody's laughing at this, this one looks good. Right, try that one. Woo! We won't be doing that one. Or that one. I need my assistant. Right, let's have a go. One more. Try it that way. Full speed. Yeah, that's... Get the other balloons now. And we'll do the last few with the dough hooks. Let's get my face in there. Hello. Let's get my camera's got to find my face. There we go. So we'll change that now to the, because 5 of them have popped and 5 haven't. So they can stay there. And we will... This has got a bad design, because when you press the thing to get the bits out, it can go forward. Very dangerous. Dough hooks. Dough. Dough. Try again. Oh! I'm going to hold on to it. This is good. What about the little one? I think that'll just pull it through. Ow, let go, you idiot! Stop. Holding this bit while it's all tangled up and twisted round. This definitely is not something to be tried at home. Only in a controlled environment. That went good. Look at that, stuck on there, good. Might just leave it on there. And this one we'll do that way. I do believe that was the most fun I've had from a very cheap food mixer and blue balloons. I said it right. Woohoo! That is the end of the Tangobaldy Show. Tomorrow we will do... Have we got anything else in here to do to sort it out with? I think this for popping the bigger balloons. There's some screws and magnets and motors. We'll do that. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.
Oh, did it tell me that I hadn't recorded? Right, that wasn't recording on that one.